Welcome to my channel. I am Alan. I went for ant hunting and found some ants. They are rare species. They are dolly ants. They are drinking sugar water. There are two special things about dolly ants. First, they have double spine. Second, they have golden tail and red legs.